Namaskar. Welcome to Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Here we discuss on daily basis plastic viable projects, plastic industry based molding projects of different types. Today's episode is about item number 6. It's a part of automotive component manufacturing business series, and the item number today is 6, which is car wheel arches and mudguards. Let us dive into the details. Do you know which plastic parts keep your car safe from mud, stones, and dirt every day? This is wheel arches and mudguards. It's a very good business. Let's find out how it is. This is made by plastics injection molding process, and the material used is polypropylene. Usually, 4 pieces are used per car, and the annual demand is about 1.5 crores units in India as of today. It is ever increasing. So, designed for durability because it is exposed to rough weather conditions, rough handling, and protection of the vehicle from inside, from the bottom of the car, designated for durability and daily protection. Unlike premium trims, as we have discussed in earlier episodes, this is easy comparatively. Manufacturing is easy, and the material is also very easily available in India. Polypropylene, and nothing else you need, only the pigments or colorants you need, master batches for getting desired color. So it's reasonably less precision, so can be handled by tier 2 vendors. Tier 2 vendors doesn't require to go for stringent quality norms, but of course there are, but in comparison to tier 1 it is much lower than what they have in tier 1. Now this is ideally suited for new vendors. What are the challenges being involved in these particular projects? Challenges are toughness. It has to be very tough. It cannot break easily. Road debris against, and weather conditions. Weather conditions, specifically environment, stress, crack resistance, has to be very good. Otherwise, it is exposed to sunshine in uh, sunny areas mostly, and there it will not last long. So it has to absorb that rough weather conditions and be resistant to all those atrocities being put against these parts. Now, opportunities, huge demand, every car needs it, and there is a replacement market as well for this across all segments, right from entry level to the top class. You need this from hatchback to SUVs. So, wheel arches and mudguards show how simple plastic, polypropylene, or any plastic for that matter, can provide you with everyday protection when you are traveling by a car. It's a very good, steady business, very good project to start taking an entry into automobile vendorship, and gradually you can upgrade yourself to the next level, and then you can do good business in automotive sector as a vendor to OEM car manufacturers. Thank you so much. If you have liked this video and you have come this far to watch this, kindly like, share, forward, subscribe, and follow my YouTube and Facebook pages. And if you need more details on this project, please let me know. You can write to me with the given email address. There you can write, and I will be able to provide you with a detailed project report, detailed costings, detail about the manufacturing process, machinery involved, everything. I can give you in nutshell as well as in a detailed manner. So please write to me. I'll be happy to reply to your all queries. we will again meet in my next video. In this continuation, I have more than 100 types of components, manufacturing ideas, and examples which are constantly being used by the automotive manufacturers, and they are different manufacturers in India today. So the volume is very big, very highly profitable. Of course, capital intensive, technology intensive, automation intensive, but it will, at the end of the day, will give you peace of mind because of assured business, because of consistent business, because of consistent cash flow, and a viable, truly viable plastics molding business which doesn't harm our environment. It is a necessity. It doesn't do any bad to any environmental things or and human beings. It is really utility, real good for human being, and can be also recycled very easily. All these automotive components molded out of plastics. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.